Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to mark a WhatsApp message as spam. Alright, let's begin. To start, open WhatsApp and go to the chat with the person you want to report. Tap on their name or number at the top of the chat screen to open their profile. Scroll down and tap Report. You'll also have the option to block the user at the same time. Confirm your choice to complete the report. If you want to report a specific message instead of the whole chat, just tap and hold on the message. A menu will appear. Select Report or Report Spam, depending on your version of WhatsApp. Then confirm your decision. When you report someone, WhatsApp receives the last 5 messages they sent to you, along with details such as the sender's phone number, the time the messages were sent, and the type of messages. This information helps WhatsApp investigate whether the sender violated their terms of service. Keep in mind that reporting a user doesn't automatically result in a ban. WhatsApp will review the report and decide whether further action is necessary. If you're looking to stop messages from a specific contact altogether, blocking them is also an option. This prevents them from sending you further messages or seeing your profile updates. So that's basically how you can mark a WhatsApp message as spam. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.